Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They're loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron, and calcium. They can be eaten raw, soaked in juice, added to porridge, pudding, smoothies, or added to baked goods. They can also be mixed with water and turned into a gel. Adding chia seeds to recipes will dramatically boost their nutritional value. Here are 6 reasons to incorporate them into your meal planning routine. Number 1. Digestion and detox. Get your chia seeds a little wet, and you'll see them turn into a kind of gel. This is the soluble fiber going to work. Soluble fiber bulks up stool, feeds friendly bacteria in the gut, and helps slow digestion to make you feel satisfied. A diet with adequate fiber prevents constipation and promotes regularity for a healthy digestive tract. Regular bowel movements are crucial for the daily excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. Number 2. Loaded with antioxidants. The health protective antioxidants found in chia seeds are known to defend against oxidative stress. This is essentially an imbalance between the production of cell-damaging free radicals and the body's ability to counter their harmful effects. This protection helps fend off aging and protects the brain. Eating chia seeds is perhaps the easiest way to get omega-3 fatty acids, which are super important to brain health. Number 3. Good for bones. As mentioned earlier, these mighty seeds pack several key nutrients tied to bone health, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. It's the combination of these minerals, in addition to other nutrients and regular physical activity, that protect bone density. Number 4. Regulate blood sugar levels. Chia seeds help stabilize post-meal blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can translate to steadier, sustained energy. In one study that compared chia to flax seeds, both resulted in lower blood sugar levels, but chia had a greater ability to convert glucose into a slow-release carbohydrate and positively impact satiety. Number 5. Support healthy weight loss. Many health experts believe that chia seeds can aid weight loss. Its soluble fiber absorbs large amounts of water and expands in your stomach, which should increase fullness and slow the absorption of food. One study found that eating chia seeds for breakfast increased satiety and reduced food intake in the short term. Number 6. May lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, and omega-3s, they may reduce your risk of heart disease. A few studies show that chia seeds significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease.